Bro, what the fuck, bro? These niggas outside trying to steal my fucking Hellcat, bro. Fuck, fuck, bro. Fucking sick of this shit, bro. I'm about to sell this shit, bro. Fuck, bro. Bro, the fuck, bro. Bro. This shit, bro. This shit that pissed me off, bro. Look at this fuck shit, bro. Look. My nigga, 3 in the fucking morning, bro. It's 3 in the morning, bro. These fucking savage ass niggas, bro. Alright, y'all, so I need y'all to help me understand, bro. Cause like, it just don't make sense. I guess it makes sense in some type of line, but I don't understand, bro. My boy, that's my boy. If you wondering why I ain't stopped, I got somewhere to be. But, bro, help me understand, bro. Why do niggas have the urge to come fuck with my shit so much, bro? There's literally another Hellcat in the neighborhood, bro. Literally, like, a couple houses down from me. I swear to God, there's another Hellcat in the neighborhood, bro. So, the fact that I feel like I'm getting targeted, bro, is just because of my YouTube, bro. Like, it has to be. There's no other way that y'all picking me out of all the other niggas with nice cars in the neighborhood, bro. I'm getting fucked with. Like, bro, how's that even? Like, that's so fucked up, bro. But I get it. It is what it is, bro. I signed up for this life, so I gotta live it. Type shit. But bunch of young niggas, just old Hellcats, coming in my fucking yard and trying to take mine. It's just like, bro, that's so stupid, bro. Y'all about to lose y'all fucking life over an $80,000. Bro, this car's worth $65,000. Bro, y'all already lose y'all life over a $65,000 car, bro. It's not worth it, bro. Stop kind of fucking coming and steal my shit, bro. Go work hard like I did and get your fucking own, nigga. I've had three since the age of 21, bro. It's not that hard, bro. Just go bust your ass and buy one. Y'all niggas on raise rights, y'all rather take than to go work hard and get y'all own shit. I get it. I kind of understand it, bro. Cause you know, coming where I come from, bro, it's only certain ways to make ends meet, bro. Getting a job ain't it, so I understand, bro. But well, I gotta be on the short end of the stick, man. It's crazy. Fucking window still busted. Riding around, got cold air on my neck and shit. Like, this is absurd, man. This is really like pushing it. But I'm not finna talk y'all heads. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little POV driving. I gotta clean this glass out this back window, so I might let y'all see that too. Look, it's a fucking Trackhawk over there, bro. There's a whole Trackhawk over there, bro. Did y'all see that shit? I know I'm not tripping, bro. A whole ass Trackhawk over there in the fucking open field. Crazy. Well, yeah, man, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go clean this glass out, go fill up, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit, bro. Alright, y'all, so I just pulled up to the gas station, and let me tell y'all this, bro. Before I can even pull in and park, bro. Hold on, let me roll the window, bro. It's 2 niggas over there. I don't know if y'all can see them very well. 2 niggas over there pointing at the car. Like, getting like hype and shit. I'm like, bro. I don't know if I can't really tell now. People just like fuck with the car because of the car. I like be like, oh, that's that nigga. We gotta go steal his shit. Cause how else am I supposed to think, bro? 2 nights in 1 week, bro. They just gonna keep coming back and coming back and coming back and coming back, bro. I'm about to stash this car. I'm about to get a garage. Oh, they getting on the bus. They getting on the bus. If they get on the bus. Hey, how come like public transportation buses don't got the stop sign on the side? I find that kind of fucked up. Yeah, they gone now. Alright, cool. Shit is crazy, bro. Shit, my bank account get outrageous. Look at this, bro. Not only was the glass broken in here one time, we got double glass, boy. I gotta get this shit out of here, bro. This shit, bro. It's the shit Hellcat niggas gotta deal with. They broke my perfectly fine windshield. Not windshield. Window. This shit is bad, bro. Y'all monkeys want this fucking Hellcat shit so bad, bro. Damn, bro. I'm gonna put on some gloves, bro. I'm not really trying to cut myself whole time. What can I... How can I pull this shit out? Oh, it'll come out. Hold on, let me get some shit. I think it'll come out. Hold on. It's best to just get it out. Fuck it. Honestly, I mean, it ain't like I'm gonna roll the bitch up. Fucking basketball, bro. Got all this fucking shit back here. Thought I heard somebody walking up. That's what we're gonna use right here. See if we can put this shit up on out of here. Fuck. Come on, bitch. Fuck. I can't even pull it out, bro. Pause. Yeah, that shit not coming out. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Thank you. It's not mine. I stole it. Yeah. Fixing this glass.
You do your own glass?
Nah, it's broken.
Who's doing broken?
Yeah.
Where it went right here?
Nah, last night, the other night.
Damn.
So I'm just fixing it now.
But you gonna put it back in?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I'm sick. If I was you gotta come back and tell me eat, please. I'm homeless. I ain't got nothing. I'm sick and everything.
Right.
I stay out here. I sleep out here and I got sick and stuff.
I can get you some. I can go in there and get you some food, but I ain't got no money.
I don't really want that kind of food. I don't really want that. That food wrong.
Oh, I don't have no money on me.
Taco or something. That taco. That taco place.
Oh, I ain't got no money there. I'm sorry. Nah.
I would like a soda.
A soda?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Chicken out there.
Bro, this is what I'm talking about, bro. Fucking how many people and shit.
My name Kiki.
Oh, my name Jackson.
You're nice. I like you.
Thank you.
You look real young.
Yeah, I'm 16.
You 16?
Yeah.
I think you about 14.
What? Oh, no,
A
no.
car like that? Who bought you that car?
That's my dad's car. That's not my car.
Oh.
Yeah, I took it to get some gas and stuff.
Hey, Jack. Hey, Jack.
Huh?
Can you do me one favor?
What is it?
I'm gonna give me the, can you give me one favor? Can you give me a cheap ass cigarettes, please?
Oh, I can't. I'm 14.
I can tell them. They'll do it for me.
Oh, all right.
That's a cheap ass. God bless you, sweetheart.
All right.
You'll be my Christmas present.
All right.
Hey, Bobby.
Bro, I need to get the fuck out of Richmond, bro. There's too much bullshit going on in Richmond, bro. I need to get out the fucking hood, bro. I got a Lambo and a Hellcat in the hood, bro. I make $500,000 a year in the fucking hood.
How you doing, Mom, Bobby? My brother got it. Why you give him from under there? Why you taking him from right there? What's the difference? Why you give him from the counter? No, Bobby.
Sam.
Okay, don't poison me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me then. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Bobby. Your hair, you don't even do your hair next time. I don't do that twist.
You're not coming in here and doing that.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. These my friends here.
Yeah, they cool. They cool.
I did, Bobby, I took my medicine too. You hear me? I took my medicine. Thank you, Bobby. I love you, Bobby. Let me sure I take my medicine. I can come in there.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you. Let me sure I take my medicine. I was schizophrenic. I'm pregnant, I was schizophrenic. And I scared to be around people. And people scare me. And sometimes I go off. Yeah. But God bless you, baby.
God bless you. You said Kiki, right?
Yeah, my name Kiki.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Hope when I see you one day, I give you something.
Oh shit, you ain't got to. It's fine. Have a good one.
Thank you. And your name Jackson?
Jackson, yep.
I'm gonna see you around again. Come see me sometime.
Okay, I got you. Have a good one. Merry Christmas. You're welcome. All right, let me get the fuck out of the hood. These niggas talking about spinning the car, bro. I'm not spinning the damn car. No, bro. I'm not doing that, bro. See what I mean, bro? Everywhere I go is hood niggas spin the car. People, let me get some money. Like, goddamn, bro. Welcome to Southside Richmond, bro. This is where I'm from, bro. This shit just, I don't know, bro. It's just crazy. It's like, I don't feel, bro, if I had a Lambo, bro, it would be 10 times worse, bro. Trust me. It would be way worse. It would be so much more worse, bro. Them niggas pulled up right before I went in the store and they waited for me to come out. That's bad, bro. I need to get the fuck out of here, bro. Hey, man, y'all, where should I move to, bro? Should I move to LA, Miami, or Houston, bro? 3 places. Which one should I move to? LA, Miami, or Houston? Let me know in the comment section down below, bro. Because I have to get the fuck out of here, bro. Anyway, we're gonna do a little POV drive back to the house, bro. I couldn't even get no gas, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I had to get the fuck up out of there. Too much shit going on. Fuck, bitch. I can hear the glass flying, bro. Look at this fucking truck up. That's an SRTG. But it's still a fucking, it's still some shit, boy. Tripping. OG got a damn stick put a fucking bag on it like he walking cross country. Hey, what the fuck? I was finna be like, so you want food, but you don't want food out of there. Beggars can't be choosers. Tell you that right now. Beggars cannot be fucking choosers. You hungry, but you picky? Like, what? Don't even start that shit. Hell no. Beggars can't be fucking choosers. To my hypothesis, I'm not going to lie, I love Hellcats just as much as the next man. I've had a man over them. I had them for over 3 years now. It's time to let this shit go, bro. It's time to let this shit go. I'm not gonna lie. M5, M4, M3, C-Class, E-Class, GT-Class, something, bro. RS3, RS4, RS5, RS6, RS7, bro, something, bro. I need to go German, bro. I need to go German, bro. I need to stop being a nigger. And I need to get something different, bro. I'm fed up, bro. I'm tired of these monkeys. Monkeys. Black people. I'm about to be so racist. It's you monkeys that want these Hellcats and scat packs and shit. Like, I had my fair share. I done bought 5, 6 of these motherfuckers. I didn't already have my shit. I can never get another Hellcat again. It'd be fine, bro. I'm already over this shit. So that's y'all niggas fiending and itching to get one and shit. Like, man, fuck this car, bro. This car ain't shit, bro. Hellcats are nothing, bro. And monkeys have competitions on them spinning. Oh, I can spin better than you. I don't care, bro. See this, bro? You see that, bro? This is my #1 car. This is some bullshit. This is my fucking daily, nigga. Hellcat red out for the daily, bro. I don't care, bro. I give 2 fucks what happens to this car, bro. But anyway, man. I'll take my ass in the house, edit this video, type shit. Yeah.